before I knew it, the postman came round, and then the milkman came round, and it all just got on top of me, Arthur. Before we knew it,
You were what? You were doing what?
before we knew it, we were just, well, you know how things are. You know how things go, Arthur.
£63.22 litres, £94.19 later. Tank's full up. Always makes me feel good, that does.
No.
Yeah, Wales.
No, Wiley Bridge.
Was it Wiley Bridge?
Tesco's, Wiley Bridge.
Oh, that's it, Tesco's. Hey! Hello, mate.
Coffee?
You little
Tea
cutie.
or coffee?
A cup of tea, please, mate.
Tea?
Hello, mate.
Sugar?
There's old Bob. Give me all the boating tips in the world, he was. Every little boating tip you can think of. I think on my last vlog, sometimes the writing doesn't upload, you know, and I spent 2 hours waiting for it to upload, so I put it on again. There you are, look, bit of waterfall there for you to watch while I'm talking. The weather just turned bonkers, it really did, but I still had to move because you've got the Ely clipboard brigade. They're on you 48 hours, you've got to be off, you know. Oh, get out of it! Extremely strong winds, it's unbelievable. 25-mile-an-hour winds. I've got to move, I've got to try and moor up somewhere. I've been in Ely for 2 days. So 48 hours and they're on you. Oof. Well, they're all over you like ants. Oh dear, it's the open water now. Look, this is going to be a bit serious now, this wind. Woohoo! Oh my word, it's windy as hell now here. If you noticed, I circled that boat earlier in the last clip. Some bloke's been there 4 years. He's been there, right? Yeah, not legally, but it's fair play. I tried to moor opposite him, and he come out. You can't moor there. The authors of the wood. You can't moor there. That's what you're doing, moored there then. And he started to go off into a rant. I just ignored him, and then he, don't ignore me, and he was going off like this, like he owned the place, but he's there illegally. And then he told me his boat sank. And I thought, oh, it's just too much hassle staying here, so I moved. I just don't understand the mentality of some people, the hypocrisy. They can't see it within themselves, you know, and they project themselves onto others and say, you shouldn't be doing that while they're doing it themselves. This is the whole point of what I'm trying to make. Look at the waters, they're normally calm waters, absolutely ballistic, the weather is. I need to apologise to the Arthurs. It's not Arthur in particular, but the mentality of that type of person. It's not the name, so I apologise to all the Arthurs and the Mavises out there, eh? I'm having to fight this wind now. You can see I'm going diagonally, trying to keep it going forward. Mental! The fens are absolutely stunning. You've got nothing to protect you from the wind. When it gets windy, it's windy. Wow, I managed to get moored up. That was a crazy journey. The wind is incredible. My delicious crumble after cooking, after servicing. After servicing that, I think a dessert. What's crispy? That's really crispy and lovely. Look at that apple in there, look. Apples is. What a scrounge from his apple. I have to film when I'm trying to do something. His apple, and cinnamon, cinema, and then there's raisins in there. Raisins just look precious. Put some cream on that. You've got 2 or 3 desserts there, look. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? It's all steaming, look. Steaming, sis. And the pissed up resistance. Look at that, look. Pissed up resistance is a bit of cream on top. Woohoo! Heart attack, here we come. Well, you can't believe it, look. Nature just had a massive hissy fit, and now it's like butter wouldn't melt in its mouth. Still very windy. I'm having to fix my laptop. I can't afford to take it to the repairers, so I've got, this is the old battery. Can you see the problem with it? It's all swollen up. This is the new one, and hopefully it should fit. Should fit straight in. 55 quid for a new one. It looks the business. Just got to take that wire off there. Ever so easy, just a couple of screws and it comes straight out, you know, so just slips in like that lot. He says, oh, it just slips in like that, that's it. That's the new, just got to take that wire off. That's the new battery for the laptop, fingers crossed. Originally I thought the this had come apart and it was all bulging up, but no, it was the battery. This battery still works, and I've seen people selling these on eBay, bulging, and they're still selling them. Can you believe that? It also comes with a screwdriver and some kind of battery removing tool, I think. Right, okay. People there have been trying to turn around for like 20 minutes. I don't know where they're going. I think the wind's taking them sideways. It needs to go right across river. Keep stopping, look. Right across river. It needs to go right across the river. They just can't turn. They just can't turn. He has to go back up as far as he can across river, then try and turn into the wind. It just pushes you and pushes you. You just can't turn in it. I think I have to carry further on up. Keep going, keep going, keep going across the river. So it's just like a big sail of Narrowboat, isn't it? Still trying to turn. Work out what they're trying to do. It started off here and then they drifted up into that tree and then they went behind the tree and drifted into the bank. I think they're just going to carry on there. I think they're going to give up. Yeah, giving up. They can't turn. That is the wind for you. That is the wind. Wow. Got to carry on. Managed to turn around, they're coming back. They're coming back with a vengeance. That evening, there was a full moon. More up here, get a coffee and go back for the van, I think. About an hour into it, I suppose. I enjoy these little jaunts and hops and walks. As you get further up, there's no bus stops, no buses, no trains, nothing, you know. You have to walk back. In these areas, I cannot manage without my van. There's no buses from Denver to anywhere, you know, so it's so handy. Well, I managed to moor here. Beautiful quiet spot. I'm not showing you the sunset yet. Hey, look at those clouds in the water. Absolutely. It's gone from really windy to beautifully calm. Look at those colours. Look at that lot. I can hear the gentle whooshing of that turbine as it turns. Isn't that beautiful? I know you all enjoy these sunsets and sunrises. And so do I. That's beautiful, isn't it? Birds all flying, roosting for the night. It's absolutely calm as anything. It's mad. That's gorgeous, isn't it? This, I managed to cut it off because it was too much hanging over there, so I cut it down, made a loop up and welded it on, and then painted it. That's turned out alright. It was probably about an inch longer than this, just too much gap for the lock, you know, so I made that a lot stronger. That little welder, I love it. Run out of rods now. Oh, I can't stop looking at that. Beautiful. A lovely peaceful little spot this is. No footfall. There's nothing. No one's passing you, or the other one mooring I was at, people were outside the window talking. Come up to the boat windows. Oh no, I know what he's got in there. He's got a bloody sofa. He's got a kitchen in there, look, up to the window. And I went, hello, and oh bloody hell, I didn't know somebody was in. No, you don't, do you? I don't suppose you do. People don't realise people live on these boats. They think it's just a bit of fun. I love it. I love all this stuff. It's getting cold now though, I'm going in. They're weird little things they are. They fly across and they go under the water. I don't know what they are. Meanwhile over there you got the sun, Got the moon rising. Never quite get it on this camera. I can never quite get the image. Is that Mars next to it? Never quite. Oh, so annoying. Beautiful. Got that there, and you got that over there. Wow. Bloody hell. If I'm doing my washing and it's warm inside and cold outside, you get the streams of condensation. Look, you can have right fun with it. Oh, where does all that water go? That's not Mavis, that's me. It goes into the channel in the window that's designed to take up. There's 2 holes in the window that drain outside. So all this look at that water, look, that goes into that. It just drains outside. So it doesn't go in your boat. Personally, for me, it's very important for me to keep in shape. Not for aesthetically pleasing. So look at me, I just like to do it. I like the feeling of being in shape. Basically, you know, your muscles are tight, and yeah, for my age, don't look too bad. I like to keep up with my exercises and stuff, you know. So also good for the joints, keep the hips going and all that. 'Cause I'm always jumping on and off, so I need to keep your strength up. I was knackered next day, don't worry about that. There's another few miles back to the bit far for walking, so I decided to take the bike. Big mistake with these thin tyres on this thick grass. It's hard work, so I decided to walk. Look at this halo around the moon, look. What the hell is going? Look at that. That is weird. Hope I can catch this. That is weird. Can you see that? Goodbye, gorgeous mooring. It's literally about 100 yards from the Goba moorings. It was 48-hour moorings. I didn't even see it. Crazy. Very, very cold now. Wow, icy winds. Woohoo! Coming in. It's October the 10th. It's just around the corner from these moorings, look. Oh, Goba. Absolutely freezing cold already, October the 10th. Oh, this wind's bitter. God, it's so open here. These fens are so open. It's just, oh, it's windy. When it's windy, it's horrible. Camille all dressed up, can you see? Her cardigan top, and a big t-shirt from Charity Shop. Look at him, look. If you liked this vlog, please sub, like and subscribed. Is that it? Where's the off button?